In this video we will look at how to make settings on the data table schema. We have a data table right here called my data table. It uses one data source, and the connector settings or plugin settings for this data source are here. And there's a pill here called columns, which will allow us to make changes to the properties of these columns. We can see here that we have got title, type, format, and default aggregation. So for example here, if I'd like period change percent to have the default aggregation of, for example, weighted mean, I can set that. If I'd like to set the default aggregation of volume to mean, I can do that. I can change the format string to something without decimals, for example. Or I might want to increase or set a percentage formatting of the period change percent. Or I might want to increase or decrease the precision of something, like holding to just 1 decimal. I can also change these titles. So instead of period change percent, I might want it to say period change percent, for example. Turnover, maybe I want to add a description saying what currency that is. I can press refresh preview and I can see how these changes have been applied. I press save and I go back.